eNingizimu Afrika umyeni umlando omkhulu untombazane Ndabalaza ubaba basemthande ngomavumane evunywa laseMelika upresident of the Bhinqa Nation njoba ngimile ngila semphezu kosizi simphezu kweyinkinga esizaziyo phezulu komhlaba wezwe laseNingizimu Afrika yakubona ukudunguzela kwalo ngendlela okudunguzela ngayo izwe kodwa ukudunguzela kwalo sizoku-addressa ngesikhathi esifanele soon and very soon kodwa lisifice sivele sisembhidlangweni oyisimangaliso njengamanje mina ngizonichazela bafowethu ukuthi kusuke kunabafana abahlanu abayingxenye yamabhinqa yokuthi besuke la kwaZulu eThekwini besuke ngezinyawo bebheke eCape Town baqhamuka lapha ebukhosini omunye uqhamuka ebukhosini wakuMathonsi eMandeni omunye uqhamuka ebukhosini basemacambini eMandeni abanye baqhamuka Olundi naseShowe bahlanu laba bafana benza le kuthiwa i-peace walk. I-peace walk against youth employment, against child abuse, women abuse and drugs abuse. Izinto lezo ezifola kuma-department amaningi ehlukahlukene eNingizimu Afrika and the importance of healthy lifestyle. Njengoba sazi ukuthi into eningi kakhulu la idakwa utshwala into eningi kakhulu iney'nkinga zama-drugs and inenkinga futhi enkulu ye-unemployment. Abaqali-ke ngikhuluma mina ngabafana mina asebehambe more than 8 countries kwi-SADC bewalker. So is the first official peace walk that they have declared ukuthi bahambe baye besuka la from Durban to Cape Town bahambe 10 weeks njengoba qala neliviki elika-11 khulumile-ke ne-Department of Social Development eKwaZulu-Natal oholwa umama uMbali Shinga njengoba kunenkinga enkulu bese kuzoba nenkinga futhi enkulu ehambisana ne-child trafficking through social media and all. Ngaphinde ngakhuluma no-MEC wakwa-Arts and Culture KwaZulu-Natal ukuthi labafana njengoba beyingxenye yamabhinqa bacele into eyodwa yokuthi kulo lonke uhamba balihambile abantu who have been sponsoring them and who have been supporting them they are zero. Akho muntu obebasupport endleleni bebethola belungu abamhlophe abebekwazi ukubasiza ama-meals abanye bawabhukela accommodation ngoba bahamba ngamabhayisikili ngebhayisikili elilodwa elithwala i-end abasuke bezolala kulona. So these young kids, they have sacrificed their life to protect their peers. As a president of the Bhinqa Nation, I'm appealing to the entire nation that I've exhausted the power I have in terms of communicating in school. KwaZulu-Natal, Arts and Culture, Social Development, ngaphinde futhi ngakhuluma national umama uStella Khumalo ubese Namibia eVenduka ngakhuluma naye lo osebenza noMackenzie. There is no response till the last minute. Njengamanje bano 200 kilometers obasalele khulume nabo laba bantu last week mina bano 200 kilometers abasalele i-delegation yamabhinqa at least 5 people traveling from here to Cape Town to welcome them and honor their heroism and their historical journey. At least bekuphinde futhi bebhukhela amabhanoyi sibuye nabo laba abantu abenze isimangaliso ezweni laseNingizimu Afrika. And they are not going to end there. and inkosi yesizwe samaZulu ingithumile mina ukuthi ngihambe ngiyobamukela le Cape Town, ngiphinde futhi mase uma ngabe sebelendile la kwaZulu ngizobathatha ngibase straight esigodlweni sesini beyomukela izibusiso ongangentanga, ngoba njengomuntu okuyi-cabinet okuyi-top 6 yaseNdlunkulu, uma amabhinqa ekwazi ukusukuma fighting against alcohol and drugs and women abuse and youth unemployment, leyo nto leyo iyinto enkulu kakhulu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu kwinhlaka production to partnership with them at a zero budget. Nami njengo-president of Bhinqa Nation, I have a zero budget, but it's my responsibility to cry to the nation ukuthi akusinamathikiti okuhamba njengamanje okuyomukela bona. Asifune mali yamuntu uMr Nomatshana, asifune mali yamuntu ngoba sikhuthuza umuntu la, sikhuluma la ngeimpilo zabantwana yokuthi any business person that can be laying a hand to support these young kids and support the initiative that they have taken. Me, I only have a moral support. I'm gonna be there in Cape Town to welcome them and come back with them and to take them straight to the king and to deserve their crown. And after that, they will be also marching straight to Kilimanjaro. Emveni kwalokho bazobe sebeya kuphina beya eKairo. Njengamanje njengoba ngishilo bahambe 10 weeks leli week elika 11. Ngiyacela ngandza kwethu sasa lokukusaya fanele siba welcome labo bantu eCape Town. But our government, provincial government and national government is not supporting such initiative, and with no reason for them not to support such things. If our government is a government of RIP and is a government of hospice, la kuhlukumezeka khona abantwana bethu bagcina befa, la kuhlukumezeka khona isizwe. Nanjengamanje isizwe sihlukumezekile, basukuma bafanele ukukhuluma bakhuluma, and nami ngisazokhuluma njengomongameli wamabhinqa. Akukho esingakubona kunjalo nje. Ngiyacela ngenza kwethu ukuthi with immediate effect sikwazi ukuxhumana nabantu who can support this journey, because laba bantu abakwazi ukuqala phansi bengena isitimeleni bethi beza la kwaZulu. At least can we honor them? Can we honor them? Can we honor them about what they've done? Young kids in the historical Congo, peaceful walk from Durban to Cape Town. Mangvala la, the only person ngingakhuluma naye imeya yethu ngizomkhuluma naye ubaba uSemqa abone ukuthi njani. It's not even an emergency. I've tried to exhaust all the protocols and everything, communicating with the big people, but they failed me. Tumhle Khawula alibamba ucingo diniwe ngoba nakho mina ngibeka imbono ngenkatha and ucabanga ukuthi uphethe ibudget yenkatha uthi uphethe ibudget kahulumeni uphukuphuku lokho. We are not talking about feelings. We are talking about the reality. I'm not asking for petrol money. Mina mangifuna imali kapetrol ngicela kubantu engazi ukuthi bazonginika imali kapetrol abangabafowethu, hayi kumgodoyi mina engeke ukwenze lokho. So therefore njengamanje I'm appealing to the people who will help, and ngicela ukubonga kubo bonke, especially abelungu abamhlophe aba-understandayo lo msebenzi owenziwa lezi ngane, the way they've supported them. Bloemfontein, everywhere they go, one of them got sick, wabuya weza kwaZulu wazolashwa waphinde wagibela ibhasi wabajoyina abafowabo. Leyo nto leyo, that passion for me is phenomenal. South Africa, Gizo Online, I'm a Bhinqa Nation, Hlaka Production, ngiyacela, can you support us in tying our all best to build the nation for now and the future. Mind, where's hot? Look at my gear.